In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello code efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide is here to help you navigate the platform with ease. Trello is a versatile tool designed to help you capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of Trello code. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Trello website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be straightforward, allowing you to visualize tasks and collaborate with others effortlessly. Now, if you haven't yet logged in, this would be your next step. You can do so by clicking on the Log In button, prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your credentials, and with a quick click, you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello workspace. This is your central hub for managing boards and tasks. It's important to note that each workspace can contain multiple boards, each acting as a separate project or topic you're working on. You'll want to navigate through your workspace and locate the specific board you wish to work with. To do this, simply click on My Trello Board. This is where the magic happens, where your ideas and tasks come to life in the form of lists and cards. With your board open, let's move on to sharing it with others. Sharing is an essential feature of Trello, as it promotes collaboration among team members, allowing everyone to be on the same page. You'll find the share button within your board, usually situated towards the top. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with options to invite other users. The Create Link option is what we're particularly interested in today. By clicking here, Trello generates a full invite link or code that you can copy. Once you've copied the invite link, you're ready to share it with anyone you wish to collaborate with. Simply send them the link, and once they join, they'll have access to the board you've invited them to. It's a seamless way to get others involved in your projects and to ensure everyone has the information they need right at their fingertips. That's it, you've successfully navigated through the key steps to using Trello code, from logging in to sharing your board. With these pointers, you're now equipped to use Trello effectively, making it easier to organize tasks and collaborate with others. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you work with Trello. Happy organizing!